everyone. My name is Jialin. The topic of my report today is computational evaluation of complexity parameters of matching and manufacturing system. The contents is mainly divided into four parts in four. This is 1. Introduction, 2. Method, 3. Research, 4. Conclusion. Part 1. Introduction. In matching and manufacturing system, consistently there are many mathematical models of various parameters. It is more complex to calculate by conventional method, and building a comprehensive mathematical model can simplify the unnecessary and correlation processing. MATLAB software has a GUI graphical interface system with strong array connecting ability permitting visualization, rich graphics output, and convenience, which is suitable for the complex parameter calculation and evaluation problem of matching and manufacturing system. Through interactive data input, the classic pointing resolution can be output, and the parameter curve can be driven to provide the decision basis for the corresponding scheme. Part 2. Method. 1. Complex model of matching and manufacturing system. A. Building a model the framework. This is patent framework for complex evaluation of matching and manufacturing system. B. Manufacturing models contraction consider process is come this one. C. Stable enhancement of mathematical model concentration on the complexity of production organization. 2. Calculating problem design based on MATLAB. Calculation problem design based on MATLAB has a relatively strong ability of graphical processes and already competing. Each graphical user interface is a good home computer interaction model. Users only need to generate the corresponding parameters in the graphics, and the clinical range to enter marketing calculator on the results. Complexity and quickening. The project many structure over the matching and manufacturing complex correlation system in which many includes the correlation of processing complexity. On my mutually machine complexity processing complexity and the resulting collection of private or complexity under different precepts. Pattern model. This is programming structure of machine and manufacturing complex computing system. Precisely, this rules. One MATLAB was used to collect the corresponding data. The complexity of each station was summed, and the corresponding system complexity index of each layered form was updated as shown below. It can be seen from the figure that, on the basis of technological force, when the complexity of production organization and process of additive manufacturing system is considered complex. The system complexity of production precapped layout is minimum, and it is the best layout scheme. 2. As can be seen from the analysis below, there are big differences in the research activity based two evaluation methods. The evaluation of equipment layout difference based on process complexity shows that the layout effect of course display technology is the best. Considering the complexity of production organization and the difference of equipment layout, the results show that the product layout is the best. Therefore, from the accurate situation of the recorded pattern matching major manufacturing system, the types of products in the workshop are the basic load molecular, and the requirements for the system are also low. So the layout from our product place pair is more reasonable. Part 4. Conclusion. 1. To sum up, the complexity of machine learning processing and manufacturing system based on MATLAB parameters correlation programs development. This study resulted the computer interaction interface of input and output parameters has a clenching Jialin stage facing to the assessment. At the same time, the result of the equipment layout developed evaluation model conditions the complexity of production organization are the more reasonable, and it has more grading stage facts for the diverse evaluation of equipment and yet share in practice. 2. Due to the limits of research development conditions, research engineers and researchers are currently waging this study style has some limitation. Future research needs isolate the limitation of matching input and consider this inter of science technology to research the automation of data collection. At the same time, it is necessary to collect the complex cases by the device of system in the actual operation process and the relation letter of the emulation index. My report is over. Double to limit level of knowledge over the research is set in separate. Please collect. Thank you.